Mechanical and electrical failure is the major sting in the tail for all car owners. Wouldn't it be good if you could protect yourself against it? And all for just £399 for 1 year, £599 for 2 years, or £799 for 3 years. Policies can be tailored to start when your standard vehicle warranty expires. That could be years and years of stress-free motoring. Bliss. So, how does it work? It covers all mechanical and electrical parts and labour, and is available all over our UK dealer network. As an additional benefit, it also includes £150 travel and overnight stay in the event of a breakdown, plus a hire car for up to 7 days. There are no limits to the amount of claims that can be made, provided the claims don't exceed the value of the vehicle. Talk to one of our dedicated business managers at your nearest dealership today.